Moving your cubby bed or storing it for later, follow these steps to safely take it down. Remove the safety sheet, number 2, from the canopy. Unlock and then unzip fully. Remove blue cubby features. Detach ears, number 6, feet, number 5, from legs, and eyes, number 4, from smile doors. If you have a hub, unzip it from the canopy and store safely. Add fabric hole cover number 3 to canopy. Undo canopy number 1. Unzip the top vertical corner sleeves and the horizontal sleeves. Unfasten the top horizontal sleeves with the support buckles. Pull Velcro off from the bottom skirt of the frame. Safely store canopy number 1. Remove mattress from frame. Disassemble the top arches. Unscrew and pull apart top arch poles number 13 and number 14 from the horizontal connector poles number 12. Remove horizontal connector poles number 12 from vertical connector poles number 1 and number 2. Remove slat locks number 11 from long side rails number 6 and number 7. Remove all slide-in slats number 10. Unscrew and remove center T-bar number 8 from all side rail assemblies. Remove screw-in slats number 9 from long side rails. Separate long side rails by unscrewing and removing from the vertical connector poles number 1 and number 2. Unscrew center support rails number 4 from center support connector number 5. Remove rails carefully to avoid tipping. Lay half-assembled frames on their side, vertical connector poles flat. Remove center support rails number 4 from short side rails number 3 by unscrewing 3 screws each. Repeat on both sides. Unbuild short sides. Unscrew 4 screws connecting short side rail number 3 to vertical connector poles number 1 and number 2. Repeat on both sides. Remove leveling feet number 16, 8-inch bed legs number 15, or caster wheels if installed. Safely store all parts, canopy, frame, screws, hardware, and blue cubby features.